So apparently Cadence has decided that today is a good day to start making new noises, which is really cute. Yes, it's cute. But what's really funny is when her mommy impersonates it. So let's see if mommy will do it for us. Yeah, I know. Come on, mommy, do it. Do it.
Day.
Amazeballs. Good job.
Thanks.
Good one.
I do what I can to repeat my child. I like to imitate her. You know, I want to be her, so.
It's weird. That's weird, but
It is weird.
Okay.
What's even weirder was she was just feeling my leg. I mean,
That's weird.
yeah, she was just watching the movie and like, just like. Off my leg.
Hi.
We're gonna go to the store. Did I bring your shoes? I don't know, did I?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hi, baby.
Go get mommy.
What are you doing? Say hi to the camera. Can you wave? Say hi. Hi. Oh, she wants the string. Do you want the string or something? She's being shy. Are you being shy? Yeah, she's being shy. Hi, what are you doing? You got Miss Lamb? Where's Miss Lamb? Oh, there's Miss Lamb. Oh, kisses for Miss Lamb. So cute.
So one thing I strongly suggest is never come to the grocery store when you're actually really hungry.
Yeah, serious life.
Because I'm really hungry. And I'm wanting to eat all the really, really bad things, but then my head's like, no, don't do it. Don't do it. So I'm not going to do it. I don't know.
Okay guys, it's bedtime for me. Cameron's already sleeping. He has to get up really early. He's out of here by like, I don't know, 4:30 or something like that. 5? I don't know. He's out of the house really early, flying to Texas for work. So I'm gonna be sleeping away, but he's gonna be flying and I'm gonna miss him. So anyways, so I'm gonna go get some sleep and hopefully he's getting some good sleep as well. And yeah, we'll hang out tomorrow. So see you then. Good night.
You'd be mad at me if I figure out a way to get the camera under the door, huh?
What?
You'd be mad at me if I figure out a way to get the camera under the door, huh?
The camera under the door?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Told you guys.